Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix your Bluetooth not connecting to your devices. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing we are gonna do is go to settings, then to connected devices. Should I or not connected devices, sorry. We're gonna search for Bluetooth, and we are gonna toggle it off, turn off, and toggle it on. Okay, the first thing we did. The second thing we are gonna do is here go to Bluetooth details, and as you can see I already paired my AirPods first with this. We're gonna see if it connects like this, or do I have to open? Oh yes, I have to open it. And this works. Let's see. For example, we are gonna play something from YouTube. Okay. It's odd. To show you it works. Wait, there's ad, of course. Another ad. Okay, so there is now music, so maybe you can hear it. So yes, you see it works. Oh, it's louder now. You see that it works and the Bluetooth is paired. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is hold the Bluetooth details and AirPods. We are gonna unpair it. Unpair. Okay, we're gonna look for it again. So if you want to connect AirPods, you need to tap here 2 times. So it looks, there is a white dot, as you can see. Oh, maybe here, yes, you see a white dot. So the device is looking for Bluetooth and the phone is looking for Bluetooth. We pair it. Pair. As you can see, it's connected. Okay, let's I can unpair it. Let's leave it like that. The next thing we are gonna do, we are gonna restart Bluetooth. So again, if it didn't work, yes, we restart it again, toggle it off, toggle it on, and then we are restarting our phone. Yes, restart. And we are waiting. I will be right back after it turns on. Okay, my phone restarted. Let's turn it, put the pin in. Okay. So I restarted the phone. If you restarted the phone, yes. If we restarted the phone and still it don't work for you, what you're gonna do is press search bar and look for software updates. Yes, and it's here. There's a blue icon here. You press it, and you press the big blue button at the bottom of the screen. Check for updates. Okay, my software is up to date. If yours isn't, that's the most possible problem why your device are not connecting on Samsung S25 Plus. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.